Draw a bit closer. Let's solve this problem. The question says a force of 36 Newton acts for 10 seconds. What is the change in the momentum of the body? What exactly is the parameters? What are the parameters given in the problem? Firstly, force is mentioned, and that was given as 36 Newton. What other parameter? The time is given as what? 10 seconds. So how does the change in momentum relates to this? Change in momentum is equals what we call the impulse. Change in momentum, I'll use the symbol for momentum, linear momentum as P equal to impulse. What exactly is impulse? Impulse is a product of force multiplying time. Force times time, that is impulse. Now, what is given? The force is given as what? It's given as 36 Newton. That multiplies by the time, which is 10 seconds. Of course, you know that 36 multiplies by 10, that will give us 360. The unit should be the product of these two parameters, Newton and second. We have Newton second. And then what option best fits this? Option C, which is 360 Newton second. That's the solution to this problem. I hope you found this video helpful. Can you hit the like button, please? Just hit the like button and share this video. Have you subscribed to the YouTube channel? If you've not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so that when I upload new video, you will receive notification. Lastly, please make sure to leave us a very nice comment if you found this video helpful.